Assalamualaikum and hi. We from Group 2 from CS 1113D and our course code is MAT263. Today we are going to present our case study and our title is Application of Linear Algebra in Chemistry. This case study is presented by four of us. Firstly is me, Afrina Fitriana binti Mazani and my other group's member named Nufatin Atira binti Roslan, Hanis Maisara binti Hanapi and lastly Asha Masrina binti Khaira Anwar.
My name is Afrina and I will explain our introduction for our case study. The introduction for our case study is, firstly, what is linear algebra? Linear algebra is one of the mathematics that is concerning linear equation and is in vector space through matrices. Linear algebra also frequently used in science because it helps in the sector for a natural phenomenon. Next, ways to solve linear algebra by using Gaussian elimination method is by performing three types of matrix row operation on a matrix. This method is used to eliminate a variable and continue to process until found the only one variable left. There are three types can apply when using this method. This method also called as step-by-step elimination of a variable. Mostly, we can use Gaussian elimination in real life too. As in our case study, we want to prove that we can use Gaussian elimination in chemistry too. In chemistry, there is a lot of solution that is needed to be examined and calculated precisely to find the initial value of a solution. However, the way to produce this certain chemical substance need three different ingredients which are A, B, and C. This solution will undergo three combinations with different proportions sequentially. The reason why this measurement is conducted because we want to examine the accurate value in the solution that contains A, B, and C. That is why we apply application of linear algebra by using Gaussian elimination to find the correct value of these three ingredients to solve this problem in chemistry. Our goal is to show we can use linear algebra and Gaussian elimination method in chemistry too. And that is all for our introduction.
Hi, I am Nufatin Atira binti Roslan and I'm going to explain our purpose of study. For the problem statement, we will analyze and understand how three ingredients A, B, and C produce a certain chemical substance. Before these three ingredients interact to form the chemical, they have to be dissolved in water separately. There are three combinations containing A, B, and C with different proportions while the volumes remain the same. Suppose that the solution containing A at 1.5 gram per cubic centimeter combined with the solution containing B at 3.6 gram per cubic centimeter and C at 5.3 gram per cubic centimeter makes 25.07 gram. Then, for second combination, the proportion for A, B, and C change to 2.5, 4.3, and 2.4 gram per cubic centimeter and produce 22.36 gram chemical. Third combination, the proportion for A, B, and C respectively are 2.7, 5.5, and 3.2 gram per cubic centimeter, produce 28.14 gram of chemical. We need to determine the volumes of the solution that contains A, B, and C. Then, our objectives of the study are to apply all the knowledge that we gain in our classes. Second, to use a suitable method in linear algebra to solve the problem. The last one is to determine the volumes of the solution that contain three ingredients A, B, and C.
My name is Hanis Maisara and I'm going to talk about the methodology, how to solve the question and the problem in this case study. So the question is, what are the volumes in centimeter cubic of the solutions containing A, B, and C? The first step is to substitute the volumes of the solutions containing A, B, and C into X, Y, and Z. So we have to let X equal to the volumes of the solutions containing A, Y equal to the volumes of the solution containing B, and Z equal to volumes of the solution containing C. Step 2, we have to transform the solutions given into a system of linear equation. So we have 1.5x plus 3.6y plus 5.3z equal to 25.07. And do so to the other equations. Step 3, transform the system of linear of equation before into a matrix in the form of Ax equal to b. So A is the coefficient A, so the matrix is the A, x, y, z is the for the variable, and equal to b, the constant 25.07, 22.36, and 28.14. Step 4, we have to compose the matrix into the augmented matrix. Then it will look like in the slide. Step 5, reduce the matrix into row echelon form by using Gaussian elimination method. We can reduce the matrix by using interchange two rows, or multiply one row by a non-zero constant, or add a multiple of one row to another row. After we reduce the matrix, we will get as shown in the slide, with each column contains leading one. Step 6, use back substitution method to solve the matrix. So from the row echelon form that we have done from before, we will get x plus 12 over 5y plus 53 over 15z equal to 2507 over 150. We will let that as equation 1. Next, y plus 193 over 51z equal to 5827 over 150. That as an equation 2, and lastly z equal to 2.2 as equation 3. So the first step is to substitute z equal to 2.2 into the equation 2. So we will get y plus 193 over 51 times with 2.2 equal to 5827 over 150. We will get y equal to 3.1. Next, substitute y equal to 3.1 and z equal to 2.2 into the equation 1. X plus 12 over 5 times with 3.1 plus 53 over 15 times with 2.2 equal to 2507 over 150. We will get x equal to 1.5.
Next, my name is Asha Masina binti Khairul. I'm going to present our case study result and discussion. Here is the result from the case study. From the table, it shows that the total volume of type A ingredient is 1.5 cubic centimeter. Ingredient type B has 3.1 cubic centimeter of total volume, and the total volume of ingredient type C is 2.2 cubic centimeter. Total chemical produced in gram for the first combination ingredient types A, B, and C is 25.07 gram. Next, the total chemical produced by the second combination of ingredient A, B, and C is 22.36 gram. Lastly, from the shown table, the third combination of ingredient types A, B, and C, the total chemical produced is 28.14 gram. Next, discussion. From the case study, there are three different ingredients which are A, B, and C to produce a certain chemical substance. In this case study, we must determine the volume in cube centimeter of the solution that contain A, B, and C. Firstly, let X, Y, and Z be the corresponding volume in cube centimeter. Then we form a system of linear equation SLE based on the information given in this case study. Next, we transpose the matrix into AX equals to B form. After that, from the system linear equation, we form an augmented matrix. Then, from the augmented matrix, we can reduce the matrix by using Gaussian elimination method. Last but not least, we use the back substitution method to solve the matrix. Then we can conclude that the volume of the solution containing A, B, and C is X equals to 1.5, Y equals to 3.1, and Z equals to 2.2. That's all from me. Thank you.
In this study, we determine the volumes of the solutions that contain A, B, and C. The volume of A is 1.5 cubic centimeter, the volume of B is 3.1 cubic centimeter, and the volume of C is 2.2 cubic centimeter. To conclude, we can solve the problem by using Gaussian elimination. This method really helps us to achieve our objectives in applying the system of linear algebra in chemistry.